Welcome, souls who feel eyes on their phone. If you're watching this right now, the energy pulled you in hard. We're locked on February 25th to 30, 2026. Mercury retrograde just kicked off in Pisces on the 25th. This is the zone where old chats reopen, unsent messages get finished, exes stare at your name and finally type. Pisces adds emotional depth, intuition. I can't ignore this anymore. Waves. Retrograde makes things feel delayed but faded. They opened your chat days ago in their mind, and this week the message hits send. Someone watching just got chills because it's happening live. The cards are screaming, they just opened your chat. Message incoming soon. Breathe deep. Feel your phone in your hand. Question: why did they open your chat? What proof shows the message drops February 25th to 30? Deck shuffled slow, channeling retrograde Pisces fog. Dreams, unfinished words, inevitable reconnection. Focusing on their side, past urge, current action, trigger. 5 cards, past urge to open chat. Current moment they did it. Trigger pushing send. Incoming message details, outcome, and proof. First card, past urge, 7 of Cups reversed. Illusions clearing, upright is fantasies. Reversed is facing reality, choosing one path. In the past, they scrolled fantasies about you, opened chats in secret, closed fast. Reversed means the daydreams stopped being enough. They knew they had to act. Retrograde energy revives old tabs. They always came back to your name. Second card, current moment they did it. The Magician reversed. Power blocked. Tools unused. Upright Magician manifests. Reversed is hesitation. I have everything but can't start. Right now, February 25th to 30th, they literally opened your chat. Stared at the screen, fingers hovering, heart racing. Magician reversed shows they have the words ready, but retrograde doubt stalls them. Someone here feels this exact second. They just opened it again. Third card, trigger pushing send. 4 of Swords reversed. Rest ending, action restarting. Upright is recovery. Reversed is burnout over. No more waiting. Trigger this week. They wake up tired of silence. Retrograde pushes enough. 4 reversed says the quiet phase ends. They type because staying still hurts more. Message incoming because the pause broke. So far, past fantasies turned real. 7 rev, meet current chat open. Magician rev. Rest ends, action starts. 4 rev. Proof is building. They opened your chat. Message is next. Early signs they just opened your chat and message. Soon, February 25th to 30. Phone feels warm or vibrates for no reason. You think of them, check chat, nothing yet, but energy thick. Dreams show typing bubbles or unread message. Gut says they're looking right now. Random scene glitches or old notifications pop. If this already feels way too accurate and you want a detailed, personalized tarot reading just for your exact situation, click the link in the description right now. Spots fill fast. Don't miss your chance. Fourth card, incoming message details. 8 of Wands. Fast arrows flying. This card is speed, movement, quick communication. In February 25th to 30, the message lands sudden and direct. Short text, voice note, or DM that comes out of nowhere. 8 of Wands says no more delay. They hit send fast once they start typing. Mercury retrograde glitches might make it typo-filled or sent at weird hour, but it arrives. Someone watching just felt their phone buzz in their pocket. That's the energy. 5th card, outcome and proof. 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, emotional satisfaction. This is the happy card, contentment, dreams coming true. Outcome, the message brings closure, spark, or small joy. They opened your chat because they needed this release. Proof in cards, 7 Rev, Fantasies End, to Magician Rev, hovering over chat, to 4 Rev, pause breaks, to 8 of Wands, fast send, to 9 of Cups, wish granted. The spread screams, they just opened your chat, message is incoming soon. Universe timed it for this week. Full tie-in, past hesitation, 7 Rev, meets current chat open, Magician Rev. Pause ends, 4 Rev, message flies fast, 8 of Wands, satisfaction lands, 9 of Cups. February 25th to 30 is the exact window. Retrograde pushed the inevitable. They opened your chat. Message drops soon. What their just opened your chat energy looks like daily this week. Staring at old photos in chat. Typing hey, then backspacing. Feeling heart race when they see your profile pic. Closing app, reopening 5 minutes later. Quiet fuck it moment before send. Full shocking signs message incoming February 25th to 30. Phone vibrates or lights up for no reason. You think of them, check chat, nothing yet, but feels close. Dreams show typing dots or unread text. Repeating numbers spike 111, 333, 777. Their favorite song plays randomly. Feeling watched, energy strong. Old chat notifications resurface. Gut says, check your phone now. Synchronicities triple, name plus number plus song. Calm knowing it's today. Retrograde weirdness, delayed scene status, feels meaningful, no anxiety, just quiet certainty. Universe sends double confirmations hourly. Message arrives when you detach completely. Small emotional wave hits right before it drops. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice for February 25th to 30. 1 high leverage action daily. Post, trade setup, outreach. Don't chase or double text. Stay cold, let them come. Affirm 3 times per day. They opened my chat. Message drops this week perfectly. Log every sign in notes. Proof builds momentum. Cold mindset. Hungry, grateful, 0 emotion swings. Use retrograde. Trust intuition. Reply short and confident. No overthinking. Universe handles delivery. Celebrate quietly when it hits. Keep grinding cash. Affirmation. They just opened my chat. Message incoming soon. I stay detached, open, aligned. Everything flows easy, so it is. If this reading felt way too real, like subscribe, bell on. Comment, chat open to claim. Drop sign or next focus. Love, money, shifts. Thanks for being here. Stay aligned. The week is alive. Use every second.